Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an LG washing machine and it's giving you a PE error and you're wondering what is this error and what can you do to get rid of it. So first of all, when you do a cycle, the machine takes on water and it has a sensor that senses how much water is in there, so it knows when there's enough and stuff like that, and when it drains it knows that it's drained and all that kind of stuff. So this PE error is telling you that that sensor is not working right. It's not getting, the control board senses that it's not getting the proper signal from this sensor. So this error could be the sensor, it could be the wiring, it could be the control board that's not communicating properly with the sensor. And with these electronic errors, two things. One is they're best dealt with by a professional if you can't get them fixed with what I'm going to talk about next, because they could really be anywhere in the guts of the machine, and you can end up voiding warranties and stuff like that if you try to mess with it. But another thing is that just doing a hard restart will sometimes clear these electronic errors out, just like on a computer that malfunctions. So if you just turn it off and then disconnect it from power and leave it disconnected from power for a couple minutes, then restore power, turn it on, try to run a cycle, it'll clear the error out and hopefully it won't come back. And like I said, if it does, at that point you're probably better off calling a professional. But anyways, hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.